Good morning, class 11 students. We are doing linear inequalities, and I have given you miscellaneous exercise 6 as homework. Today we will see question number 13. How many liters of water will have to be added for 1125 liters of 45 solution, 45% acid solution? 45% solution, 1125 is the quantity. Okay? That is the question. Now, so that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25%. 25% से अधिक, more, but less than 30% resulting solution. So let how much water will be added. Suppose x liters of water add कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. This water does not contain any acid. So acid content की बात करें हम तो कितना हो जाएगा? 45% of 45 by 100 of 1125, right? Plus water does not contain any acid content, so this is the only acid content is equal to, now this acid content is the total acid content. Now when we are adding x liters of water, the resulting acid content will become what? 45 plus x, that is the total quantity. X liters we will be adding 1125 plus x. This is the total quantity into, and suppose we want it to be what? Greater than 25%. So this and this is the total acid we are having, or acid plus water, right? इसका कितना percentage चाहिए हमको? So we should have this number 45 upon 100 into 1125. This is the acid we are having, right? And this is the quantity we are having. So how will you find the percentage? The percentage is acid, right? So we are going to find something like this. So this 25% of 1125 plus x, this should be, this is the 25% of 1125 plus x, right? And this is the acid content we are having right now of the total number, and that is, and what is the acid content we are having right now? 45 upon 100 into 1125 plus 0 upon 100 into x, that is the total acid content we are having, right? That is the total acid content we are having, and our 25% is this. So this acid content should be greater than 25%. So just remove this and now solve this. You will get what? 25% से अधिक. So let's do it like this कि 25% यहाँ लिख देते हैं. 25% of 1125 plus x, this should be less than 45 by 100 into 1125. Simple. Just forget everything. यहाँ पर 0 to x वाला टर्म हट गया. Cancel out this and let's solve this. So we are getting 25 into 1125 plus 25x is less than 45 into 1125. And now we can solve this. 25x is less than, यहाँ पर ये 1125 कॉमन आ गया. 45 minus 25 which is 20. So x is less than 1125 into 20 upon 25. 5 से कैंसिल करो. 5 4 the 5 5 the 5 on the 5 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10 and 5 to the 10 again 5 to 100. So we are getting what? 225 into 4. 225 into 4 is 450, that is 900. So x is less than 900 liters. 900 liters से less water add करेंगे आप, then only it will be greater than 25%. And then the second content here is less than 30%. So we are getting 45 upon 100 into 125. This is the acid content, should be less than what? 30%. 30% of 1125 plus x. Cancel out. And we can write 45 into 1125 minus 30 into 1125 is less than 30x. We can solve this 1125 common into 15 upon 30 is less than x. Can cancel this, and this comes out to be x is greater than, divide this by 2, 5 to the 10, 5 5 the again we get what, 5, and we get what, here we are getting 5, then again 5, then 2 is left, or is it true or not? Let's see. We are getting 2 and then 5, right? 2 by the 10, 1 is left, 6 we are getting. So 5, 6, and then here we are getting 2.5. So are we getting this 562.25? So this should be greater than 562.5 liters. Let's check the answer. This is I'm sure this is easy to understand. आपको acid content ये है. After the total acid content is this, it should be greater than this much and less than this much. So these are the two equations we have solved, right? So it's a easy one if you have tried this question, and I'm sure you would have tried this question and done the question by 562.5 liters, right? So x is greater than 562.5 liters and less than 900 liters. Okay. Now we come to question number 14. IQ of a person is given by the formula IQ is equal to mental age upon chronological age into 100, where M is mental age, CA is chronological age. If IQ lies between 80 to 140 for a group of 12 years, मतलब mental age 12 दे रखा है. Find the range of their mental for a group of 12 years old children, find the range of their mental ages. This is quite interesting. So what is the range of, he is probably asking us, chronological age जो होता है वो आपको 12 years आएगा. सी है यहाँ पर. MA का रेंज निकालना है आपको, और IQ का रेंज दे रखा है. Mental age and chronological age, that is age which is there. The age of the person is chronological age, CA, जो उसकी present age है. Mental age and IQ levels are depending on person's intelligence. Okay, तो यहाँ पर क्या दे रखा है आपको? यहाँ पर IQ का रेंज दे रखा है. क्या दे रखा है? 80 से ग्रेटर है और 140 से कम है. CA की एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू दे रखी है 12, chronological age. And we have to just substitute the formula. MA वो x मान लेते हैं, let MA be x. So I'm going to write here x upon 12 into 100. ये 80 से अधिक होना चाहिए. So we can solve this. Sometimes we can solve it directly. अगर आप इसको ऐसे भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं आप दोनों को एक साथ. 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, 12 8 960 100x, और यहाँ आ जाएगा 12 into 14 168, right? 1680, something like this. Okay, 12 into 12 144 and 12 to the 24, so 168 होता है. Now divided by 100, so you get what here, 9.6 is x, and यहाँ पर देखो 116.8. So your mental ages for these two persons, these two ranges lies between, अगर किसी की IQ 140 है, अगर किसी की IQ 140 है तो उसकी मेंटल एज, वो 12 इयर्स का है तो भी मेंटल एज उसकी 16.8 इयर्स है. और अगर किसी की IQ 80 है, वो 12 इयर्स का भी है तो भी उसकी एज, मेंटल एज 9.6 इयर्स है. So that is the range of mental ages, right? And CA is chronological age and IQ is intelligent quotient, right? With that we complete this chapter number 6. We can now start sequence and series, which is our chapter number 9th chapter, right? So you should understand what is the sequence. So you have to understand what is the sequence, what is the series, and what is the progression. Okay, these three terms you have to study. So we'll study that in the next class.